sinaktan ng labis ko. At sinabi ko sa'yo, kaya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita?
Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, mataba na puso ko. Mahirap na ayayin ang isip at damdamin. Ikaw pa rin ang pangarap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Ulit-ulit sasabit rin, sinisigaw ng damdamin. Mahal kita, ang giliw ko.
I remember the days when you were here with me. Those laughters and tears we shared for years. Memories that we had were so long, it's me and you. Now you've gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. You break my heart. Hey, what should I do?
Babe, I'm missing you.
Please don't disappear inside the world that you should be. Sometimes I can't wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I miss you. You've been in a part of me.
I wish someday you'd be back home, 'cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Pinuhay na makalinte sa resort.
Kailangan ba na magwakas itong pag-ibig? Ugas kay wala kang nasa aking isip.
Kuhanin mo na kasi kita.
Hindi mo ba naaalala ang mga kahapon? Nadadalay anong saya, anong tamis?
Sadyang pag-ibig natin ay nakakapanghinahayang. Ngunit sa ating mga mata ito'y kalabisaya. Patuloy lang masasaktan ng mga puso. O bakit kay sakit pa rin ang paglayap?
Nakaman ngayon sa aking piling, nasasaktan man ang puso't damdamin. Muli-muli sa'yo nang aaminin, di ka ay mahal pa rin.
At kung sakali na muling makita at madama na mayroon pang pag-asa, hindi na dapat